Okay, so I made a pretty much a hack and slash sort of just first person shooter. I added the dinosaur prefabs and the zombie prefabs that were given to us. Um, the idea behind this is that you just can shoot yourself around the map and like move really fast. I had a projectile grenade that explodes when it comes into contact with the ground. There's also a mode where it can explode on the ground without but it like there's a delay on it. There's a timer on it like you would find with a normal grenade. I'll just show that right now, I guess. Uh yeah. See this the impact explosion. There is that essentially. Uh what I did for the main goal of the game, it's another time trial where you're just trying to find a cube on the map, which is why I thought movement would be pretty important for this. And I have it really huge here because, I just thought it would be easier to find because I'm doing an example right now. But realistically, for a fun game loop, you'd hide this somewhere and you just have a shit ton of zombies chasing you, and you have to be looking around for it the whole time. And while this is happening, a bunch of zombies would keep appearing. So here's the actual gameplay. I'll try to be pretty quick with it. Yeah, so they appear really quickly. So right now there's not too many, but some of these spawners have a ton. I'll try to find a velociraptor. Yeah, here's some velociraptors. Here's the explosion I can do. This is the movement. And this cube here would be in a much harder place to get to. But this is just for ease of showing. And as you can see, when I hit the cube, it turns green, the timer stops, and you can see my health displayed. Here's the pause functionality. Here's the unpause functionality. Here's my restart button. And yeah, that's about it.